How to generate consistent character with Meta AI. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI app, and I assume that you have already downloaded the Meta AI app on your mobile phone. So now you can see there is a three button at the top left corner of this section. So just tap on that three button, and once you tap on it, you can see there is settings option at the menu option just down below of this screen. So just tap on that settings, and once you tap on it, you can see there is your selfie option in here. So you can simply tap on your selfie and you can create your consistent character by tapping on get started on the screen. So once you tap on it, finally you can simply tap on continue, and it will ask you to access a camera. So you need to go to the settings and grant the permission to access the camera, and yeah, you will be able to create a consistent character in Meta AI app successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to create a Meta AI app on your consistent character in Meta AI app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.